Alright guys, good morning and welcome to the new video on the channel. As you might have noticed, I'm driving. I'm currently on the way to some people we know, me and my parents. And last time they told me they had an E21, or they had an old BMW rally car standing in the way and they needed to get rid of it. Of course, immediately sparked my interest. So I went to look at it. It's an E21. 315, and it was basically their spare rally car, so it's still as good as stock. It has been standing for over a decade, so yeah, they wanted to get rid of it. It was either going to the scrapyard or I would go pick it up and see what I can use from it. So that's what we're doing today. In front we have my parents with the tow rig and with a trailer that we rented. And yeah, it's about an hour drive more or less, and yeah, then I'm gonna document what we need to do, because the car, we don't have keys and the car is locked, so that will be the first challenge, getting into the car without breaking anything, and then yeah, maneuvering it out of its place without the keys, so with steering lock and stuff on. So it's gonna be fun. So yeah, see you in an hour.
I need to stop. I've been doing too much, I've been running too fast, I've been testing my luck. I've been living cloud nine, I've been at it all night, I've been feeling so loved. I've been waking up lit, I've been making up shit, I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day, so what? I'm living out my dreams like every night.
Okay guys, we have acquired the package. So as you can see, it's right there, E21 315. It went a lot smoother than expected. I just put it up with a jack and stuff, and now we're on our way home. Okay, she's inside now. The method you saw me just try with the duct tape here is something I saw on the internet a while ago, and I had to give it a shot. It did not work. So to all you thieves out there, it does not work. Other than that, so yeah, she's pretty rough. On the bottom, she's pretty much rot all the way around. But we'll have to see when it goes on the lift. So yeah, I have a lift waiting to be installed, but we still have to figure out where we're gonna put it. But yeah, it's actually a really cute car. But yeah, so we don't have the keys, so we're gonna try and break into the car through the back window. So just pull the rubber aside and try also with the tape, because we don't have like a suction device for windows. Trying to pull while we pull the rubber to the side, and that way it should come out, and then we can unlock the doors from inside out. Here we have it. We made it into the car. So yeah, I already pulled some stuff out. Some pieces of a roll cage, a little spoiler. Nothing spectacular so far. So yeah, one seat, and for the rest it's pretty empty. It's a cool dash design. Fortunately, it's also cracked. But yeah, it's not a 5 speed, it's a 4-speed. So it's a manual, so that's fun. But when you see under the hood, it's yeah, very, very dusty and old, and it stinks. It's really, really stinks. But we're gonna try to start it. Not today, I think when I have time. Just look if there's fluid in it and stuff, and yeah, just see if there are no fluids in it. Maybe flush out the old gasoline, put some new one in. But then still I can't drive it because I don't have the key. So the car is in the steering lock. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I'm glad that this is done, because it's pretty rotten on the other side. But as you can see, the front looks really nice. The doors are in really good shape. The hood and the trunk are in good shape. The rear bumper also. The rear lights, they're looking as new. And I believe there's a bunch of parts in the trunk, because I looked through this hole with the light and I saw spare lights and stuff. But yeah, it's locked. And I know you can open these locks by sticking a screwdriver in them and hitting it really hard until it pops open. Just basically break the lock. But I don't really want to do that, because we got into the car without breaking anything, so it would be a bit stupid to do now. But yeah, if the car is being parted, then I'll just smack it open. So it's a 315, which means it's a 4-cylinder M10, 1.6 liters with a carbureted engine. The first time I have a carbureted engine, so I'm not really sure how it works or how I should adjust it. But I'm going to try to get this car started. Of course, driving will be hard, because without the key, the steering lock is in place. But yeah, if I can make it run, a running car is always worth more than a not running car. So it's worth giving it a shot. A mate already came to help me. We just cleaned it up a little bit. It stinks really bad in here. Yeah, we cleaned out the carburetor. We checked the distributor cap, grinded off some corrosion and stuff. I checked the fuses and the relays, they're all good. And there is also oil in it, which is also obviously very important. However, the radiator cap I haven't yet got open. It's a bit stuck, so I don't know if there is water in the engine. So that's, well, to get it started, just a few seconds. It's not that big of a deal. But the main problem is we hooked the battery up to this car and it didn't do anything. So you think for the battery you have to get voltage somewhere, but it doesn't work. And yeah, because we don't have a key, we have been looking at the ignition, and we're basically going to hotwire the ignition, or at least going to try. So it's not so hard. Found a write-up online. So basically your ignition switch, that's where the key goes in, 4 big wires are coming out. It's a red one, that's the power, a black one that goes to the starter, a purple one for the accessories, and a green one for the ignition. And basically, when you turn the key, you activate 1 or 2 of those wires at a time. And what you can do is you can hot wire, so it means directly connecting the power cable, the red one, directly to the green one for the accessory. Also directly from the red one to the ignition, to the green one. You can leave those connected permanently. And then you have your third one, the black wire. Like in the movies, you should be able to just connect it with the hot wire as well. And it should then start theoretically. I say theoretically because I've never done it. And yeah, movies. And I have an update on the E21. So in the last clips that you saw, they were taken like 2 weeks ago or something. The car is actually already sold by now. So I put it up for sale as a whole. We didn't get it to run. We put it up for sale and almost immediately 3 or 4 people wanted to come and get it. A guy from Holland came over, or sent his driver. They picked up the car, and so that is gone already. I would have loved to make a little bit more of a video about it, but this is gonna be it, unfortunately. But yeah, it still was fun to getting into the car and taking a look at how it is. But yeah, a lot of other cars are gonna pass through my hands, so don't be afraid. There will be a lot of fresh content coming up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Not as exciting, but yeah. Not everything can be as fun as something else. So I thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.